Best chassis paint. Let's face it, nothing ruins a car faster than a rusty chassis. It's ugly, it's dangerous, and once it starts, it's hard to stop. I wanted to find the absolute best chassis paint to protect my own projects, so I bought and tested the top 5 models on the market. I put them through their paces so you don't have to waste your money. Product number 1, 3M 3584 Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. First up is the 3M Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. When I picked up one of these 16-ounce aerosol cans, it felt like a solid, professional product. I loved how easily it sprayed on. The application was uniform, and I didn't have to worry about it running all over the place during my testing. My favorite part, though, is the texture. It dries to a durable, rubberized finish that not only safeguards the undercarriage from salt and moisture, but also acts as a sound dampener. I noticed a definite reduction in road noise because it dampens those vibrations. This pack of 6 is ample coverage for an extensive project. Verdict? If you want a dead simple application that adds some quietness along with your protection, this is the one to get. Now, if you are looking for a massive, single-component gloss option, wait until you see this next one. Product number 2, Magnet Paint and Shellac Chassis Saver Gloss Black. Next, I tackled a project with a full gallon can of Chassis Saver Gloss Black. Just holding this huge can, you know you are dealing with a heavy-duty coating. My first impression when opening it was how high the solids are. This is a single-component, thick paint. When I was applying it, I noticed how well it adhered to the metal. It's VOC compliant, which is great, but the real benefit is the bulletproof finish. I tested this on a really grimy underbody, and it cured to an incredibly tough, high-gloss layer that seals everything off. You aren't going to have to worry about corrosion once this stuff is on there. Verdict? For those huge framing projects where only a massive, hard-as-nails gloss black finish will do, this gallon of Chassis Saver is definitely the way to go. If you are dealing with crazy rust right now, though, you might need a serious encapsulator. Product number 3, Smaffy Rust Encapsulator Paint, Primer Black. Then I tried out this Primer Black Anti-Rust Paint. When I unboxed this 35-ounce can, I appreciated that it includes everything you need. I was skeptical about the no grinding needed claim, so I tested it directly over some pretty stubborn metal rust on an old trailer frame. I was genuinely blown away. It instantly converted the rust into an inert, stable, flat black finish. It basically encapsulates the rust completely. The real benefit here is that it isolates oxygen and water, preventing future corrosion. I didn't need a top coat or extensive prep work. Since it's ultra heat stable, I even used it near the engine bay and exhaust pipes without worry. Verdict: if you are fighting existing rust and want a long-lasting inhibitor without days of prep, this one coat does it all. However, if you need extreme durability against heat and chemicals for your engine bay, you need to see this. Product number 4, Muse Fancy 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer. Next up is this massive 101.5-ounce container of Muse Fancy 2-in-1 Rust Converter. Holding this huge tub, I knew I had enough to do multiple vehicle frames. This stuff is water-based and eco-friendly, so I didn't have to deal with harsh fumes when applying it in my garage. My favorite part during testing was just how extreme the durability is. It chemically converts the rust into a stable black coating, but it also withstands heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and resists salt and oil. I used it on brake parts and an engine compartment, and it outperformed traditional coatings easily. It seals out everything in one step. Verdict? If you are doing a full restoration on a car, trailer, or boat and need massive coverage with professional-grade, chemical-resistant protection, this big tub is a smart buy. Now, if you want that same rust conversion but want a clean white finish, check this out.
Product number 5, 3-in-1 Rust Converter Paint for Metal, White. When I held the 35-ounce can, I noticed it comes with everything you need, including a brush, sandpaper, and gloves, which is great for a DIYer. I used this on some rusty white iron furniture and parts of an old truck bed. It acts as a rust reformer, primer, and quick-dry protective coating all at once. It penetrates deeply, converting existing rust into a stable matte layer that seals out moisture. I loved that it's water-based and VOC-free, so no toxic fumes when I was working. My favorite part is the matte white decorative finish. It enhanced the look immediately while providing lasting resistance to stains and wear. Verdict: if you have home improvement projects, gates, iron furniture, or automotive touch-ups where you need rust conversion but prefer a clean white aesthetics, this complete kit is the safe bet. That wraps up my testing for the best chassis paint. Stop letting rust eat away at your investment and get it protected. I really hope this helped you pick the right one for your specific project. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to find the current prices on all 5 of these testers. See you soon!